Hello gurus, and welcome to another episode. I hope you're having a beautiful day wherever you are in the world. Thank you for all the comments. I had more than 600 comments just telling me to keep going, sue those guys, make the videos, change the channel to James Crypto Guru, which now it is. And I'm going to keep doing that. The comments were amazing. Thank you all so much for those comments. It was so beautiful. Really, I read all of them. I'm going to show you some of them. They were just so beautiful. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin. It is pulling back with the altcoins right now. And I don't think this sell-off is finished. I'm in amazing Lima, Peru right now. I'm going to be flying to Amsterdam in a few hours. Look at this. The surfers down there. It's so beautiful here. Lima, Peru. Amazing. We're going to jump into the charts for Bitcoin, predict what's going to happen, look at some of the altcoins, the crypto markets, Ethereum, see what's going on there. Make sure you join now. More than 68,000 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button. Smash up this thumbs up button. And again, big thank you to all 600 plus of you who commented. Beautiful, beautiful comments. And I'm going to keep making this channel. After this video, I'm calling up the law firm again, and I'm going to make sure going after this trademark. It's already being disputed legally, and just go after these scammers. Let's jump into the technicals for Bitcoin now. Also, make sure to watch through to the end. I'm going to do a giveaway, a competition. And in line with, I'm going to give away 200 USD to people that comment on the Twitter post to try and get back the Twitter. So we're looking at Bitcoin USDT on the weekly charts. First thing I noticed, the big blue line, this trend line that's been going for 2 years, is broken. Everyone, it broke it. 2 weeks ago, we broke it. So be very careful here. When you break a major trend line, it's never nice. Second thing to keep in mind, we've got the moving average. It crossed to head down, and the moving average on the weekly is a very accurate one. Here the moving average crossed to head up. Here the moving average crossed to head down. So be careful here. We're also in a downtrend line for the last few weeks. EMA ribbons on the weekly, we're below them, and it's trying to turn to head negative. It hasn't even started to head negative yet, which is a danger. You've got to be careful of that. It hasn't started to head negative yet. It's just starting to head negative, and that's something to be very concerned about. Stock Guru bot on the daily is not showing. The VPVR, we have major support right where we're sitting right now. Here at the 35,000 and here at the 32,000. So these are areas where we can start adding Bitcoin. Now that's the negative side. What about the bullish side? The bullish side is we have huge volume coming in. And remember, as my 6,000 students know, volume predicts price. And we have a lot of volume coming in. Also on the weekly, another bullish sign is the stochastic is turning to head up. The squeeze mob hasn't turned gray yet. So this sell-off might not yet be finished, but we're close to the bottom, in my opinion. Where I want to add a lot of Bitcoin is at here, the 29,000, and I think that's going to hold, but I think a lot of people think that's going to hold. So most likely we'll also come down to the $20,000 area. So that's where I'm thinking we're going. On the daily candles, let's go closer into the time frame. What's going to happen for the next few weeks? The crypto bot, calling it, we changed the name now, it's called the crypto bot, calling it amazingly well here. It called the sell-off at 60K, heading down now to 36. It went red on the crypto bot. You get it in the cryptocurrency master course. It turned red, and it's been heading down this entire time. Now, this is the thing that everyone needs to pay attention to. This white line here. This is a downtrend. We entered a downtrend when I called the top on November 11th, and we're still in the downtrend. Till we break this white line, everyone that's bullish on crypto Twitter, on YouTube, everyone, they're all wrong until we break this white line. We're in a downtrend until we break above it, test it, and bounce off it. Then then we can resume a bull trend. So keep that in mind. Right now, we're going down. The trend is down. Major support here at the 35K, where I bought one Bitcoin earlier this week, and one more major support down here at the 30K, and that's where I'm going to add a lot more Bitcoin. A lot of volume coming in, but also on the daily charts. Stochastic and squeeze mob are turning up, and the stochastic is still green, and the stochastic it's on the bottom, but it's actually turning to head down, so it looks like further downside. The death cross that I talked about a few weeks ago, I was one of the only ones mentioning it. It has crossed to still head down, so be aware. We're still on a death cross. We're still on a downtrend. And again, we're going down until we break this white line. Always keep that in mind. Let's turn on some other indicators. Squeeze mob is still red. Money flow index has bottomed out, and money is starting to come back into Bitcoin. But I believe we have further downside to the 29K. Stock Guru bot is still it's changed to crypto Guru bot. It's going down. It will be updated soon. It's still red, showing that we're heading down. the death cross is still in effect, and the EMA ribbons on the daily still heading down. So no real sign of a finish of this downtrend. Remember, bottoms take time to form. Everyone went super bullish the other days, but it takes time to form a bottom. Like it did here, it takes time to form a bottom. And I think that bottom will be formed here at the 29K, in my opinion. A lot of volume coming in though. So what the best strategy would be is to add one Bitcoin here. When there's a lot of volume coming in, it could just start spiking straight away because a lot of buying pressure. So the best strategy, add a Bitcoin here, add a Bitcoin at 29K. If it goes lower, add another Bitcoin. If you don't have a whole Bitcoin, add 0.001 of a Bitcoin now, 0.001 of a Bitcoin at 35, 0.001 of a Bitcoin at 19. Eventually, Bitcoin will be worth millions. So keep that in mind. Let's go back in. So that's on the daily. So we're still heading down on the daily. On the 4-hourly, also trying to head down. No sign of a bottoming formation yet. We need to see a bottom formation like this, a double bottom, that's a bottoming formation, or a triple bottom, that's another bottoming formation, and we need to break this white trend line up at the 40K area before we go bullish. So keep that in mind. VPVR, a lot of buying selling right now, but no major supports until the 35 and the 33K. On the 4-hourly EMA ribbons, we're trying to come back into the EMA ribbons, but as you can see, since November 11th, every time it tried to do that, it failed. So be careful here. Let's turn on stochastic. Squeeze mob on the 4-hourly is turning red again, and money flow index on the 4-hourly is still heading up. So money is starting to come in. That's why buying I bought one Bitcoin at 35. It's not a bad strategy, just in case you don't want to miss the exact bottom, miss the bottom if it is. But I think we're going lower, so I'm slowly entering with my capital. On the hourly stochastic oversold, I think we're going to start potentially heading down. I'm not seeing any major. What I'm seeing here is actually a bear flag, everyone. So keep this in mind. This is a bear flag. We have the pole, we have a flag forming, and usually that drops again. My target is 29K. No matter if everyone else is going bullish, my target is still 29K. So keep that in mind. So that's my thoughts on Bitcoin. Also, I'm going to show you comments from the 627 comments we had yesterday. When I asked people, I was like, should I keep making videos? I keep getting attacked at this trademark attack. You should watch this video yesterday. It was called, I got attacked, should I keep making videos? Bitcoin going down. Fight, James. Don't let people like this destroy what you built, and worse, steal what you built. Keep making videos because these people like me and many more appreciate what you do. I had 627 comments. You definitely should continue. Don't let this hold you back. Your input in the market is amazing. Your vibes are way better. We have your back buddy and we'll follow you no matter what your brand of your channel. Much love. Thank you so much, Shahala. Mars, man, you've helped so many already and have loads more to lead towards a better future. The community needs you, and because of these comments, everyone, there was 627 comments. Keep going, James, you're good at this. Keep posting videos and spreading knowledge. Ralph, just 627 amazing comments from people. You're getting attacked because you're helping a lot of people. Keep doing what you're doing. Thank you so much for all these comments. I read all of them. I try to respond to as many as possible. So thank you so much for all these amazing words. Keep going, bro. Don't let the weak dictate your actions. I got both programs. Looking forward to your knowledge on this journey, and just beautiful comments. And everyone, I'm going to keep trying to get my Twitter back until this case is disputed. So on Twitter, there's a link underneath this video. In the description and pinned comment, there's a link to Da Vinci's Twitter. And on Da Vinci's Twitter, he made a message to Twitter to try to get back my account. I'm going to give away in 72 hours, in 24 hours, 200 USD to anyone that comments on this Twitter. So this is Da Vinci's Twitter, and the link is down below. Hey, Twitter, my friend's account, Jamie's, got suspended with no reason given. That's not nice. Please reinstate. The reason was it was a trademark has been created, which I'm currently disputing. It's already been cancellation order against the trademark. It's a fake one. They used it to take down my Twitter. If you comment down here, these are some comments. This is unacceptable. Twitter, get your shit together. If you at Twitter like this, like Doc Brown did, at Twitter and at Twitter support, give James his channel back and tag my name. He is the real account. Tell him about the fake trademark. I'm going to pick one of you for 200 USD in the next 24 hours. If you comment down below, Twitter, please make sure you tag at Twitter and at Twitter support and say like, get James's account back. It was a fake trademark, whatever you want to post there. I'm going to pick one winner for 200 USD. There's already on here, Da Vinci is amazing. Already 106 retweets, 500 likes, 5 quote tweets. So if you comment on there, I'm going to pick one winner for 200 USD. The link is down below, so keep that in mind. down below. And I want to try and get my Twitter back. I've had it since 2009. I have 17,000 people on my Twitter, and they use this fake trademark to take it down, and my Instagram as well. But I'm fighting back. I've got law firms, big law firms in America going after them. The trademark is already being disputed and cancelled. We'll know in about 30 days. Thank you all so much for your support. Join my 68,000 subscribers. Hit that subscribe button, smash up the thumbs up button. If you're panicking, if you're worried about what's happening in the markets right now, I do recommend gathering as much cash as possible. I'm mainly in USDT to buy the extreme fear dips on stocks and cryptos. I also moved a lot of money into stocks, so keep that in mind. I do think we have further to fall, but starting to DCA now, we're close to the bottom. I think we've got more to drop, but we're close to the bottom. And what I'm doing is I'm going to start buying stocks and cryptos. You can click the join button down there to see my live trades. Thank you again, all of you, for those amazing comments. I'm going to keep making videos. Like, those comments were unbelievable. So many thanks and so many just words of support. And you're such a beautiful community. Thank you so much for all the support. This is James from Crypto Guru, and I'll see you all again tomorrow.